Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Basecamp, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove an admin from your Basecamp account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove an admin from your Basecamp anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and sometimes they go their own way, so you want to be sure to remove your admin access. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Basecamp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Basecamp, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to remove an admin, it's going to be handled in admin land. So it's this gray button here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the administrators right here at the top. However, to remove one of them, you're going to scroll down and click on this button, add or remove administrators. Once you do that, you're going to see all the administrators you have. So you can see it's just me, the owner, and then this administrator. And off to the right, you're going to click on this red revoke button. Once you do that, you'll see this pop up. Are you sure you want to revoke these admin powers? Go ahead and click on OK. Quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that person has been removed as an administrator. Just so you know, that person is still a part of your company. They just don't have admin access. If you need to completely remove them, what you're going to need to do is go back here to admin land. Once you've done that, click on this one right here, manage people. Once you click on manage people, you can see the person we removed as an admin. They're still here. And if you want to completely remove them from your Basecamp, off to the right, click on these three dots and then click on edit info. Once you're here in edit info, scroll to the bottom and then click right here. I want to remove this person from my account in red. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an admin from your Basecamp account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.